Ashe, ashe, ashe. Ashe, ashe, ashe. It's about to be a wonderful day. I'm not playing. We tapping in. We about to crunch on them. You feel me? I really feel insulted. I really feel like we just been played with. How they do? I feel like we've been played with. You feel me? I really feel like we've been played with by these different lounges. You feel me? I really feel we've been pressured to do certain things. I feel like we've been led to do certain things. Why are we getting misled by certain people? Why you got your certain secret societies? You feel me? You feel me? Deceiving the people, going on a rant about 400 year shit. It's just a lot of Masonic bull crap that's going on. Like Slim said, I can't fuck with you niggas, you too dick in the booty. You feel me? So y'all niggas can praise y'all Lord. Y'all can, I'm about to make them mad. I'm about to make them mad. I'm about to make them mad with this one. Y'all gonna wanna do something about this. We've been deceived too long. We've been fooled too long. We know what mudras is. We know what mantras is. You feel me? We know what this is. We know what hypnosis is. Hypnizing us. You heard me? Giving us 70% of information. 30% of bullshit. Messing with our cognitive, our subconscious. You feel me? Need y'all to listen to me, family. You got very, very intelligent people. Acting like they light bearers. You feel me? You see, I gotta play their game. I gotta switch it up and try to word my word. Fuck all that. We don't got time for all that. We trying to go somewhere, grow somewhere. Y'all niggas talking about waking up. Nigga, y'all putting a nigga fast asleep. You feel me? You say wake up, but you put a nigga fast asleep. I'm done with all this shit. Blue Lounge, all this Masonic shit, climbing up the ladder, all this shit. Y'all tricking our people, man. These niggas talking about they ain't no Freemasons and they ain't this, but they ain't fucking with the fuck around. You feel me? Niggas fucking around with the fuck around. I got children out here, partner. I got children out here, partner. You heard me? I got little kids. And you out here fucking with a nigga mental like that? Y'all niggas out here brain banging with a nigga like this shit, a chessboard, nigga? This galactic chess? Ain't nothing galactic going on but you stupid ass niggas playing games, man. Y'all talking about CERN and all this shit. Nigga, y'all niggas out here summoning up shit. You heard me? Telling people, oh yeah, oh, y'all the chosen ones. Ain't, no, nobody's gonna, all this bullshit they be saying, the stupid shit they be saying. Buck you up, make you feel like something, then hit you with some stupid shit. Y'all just too dumb to wake up. Y'all just too stupid. For one, bro, that's going to your subconscious. These niggas is alchemists. You heard me? These niggas been taught. When you gonna see these fucking signs go throwing up, niggas gonna do all this stupid ass shit. You heard me? Niggas gonna do stupid ass shit like that, man. Watch these niggas, man. On these niggas cover. You see these niggas like this and shit? The fuck you like that on your cover for, nigga? Fuck wrong with you niggas, man? Man, Slim said you niggas too dick in the booty. You feel me? Just like my dude said. Nigga gonna whip y'all ass and y'all fake prophet ass. You feel me? Everything y'all repping, worshiping, whatever y'all doing, this old symbolic ass, stupid ass, geometry ass shit you stupid ass niggas playing with, man. If you're not, he talking crazy, he's hating. Nigga ain't hating on y'all, nigga. My channel back, nigga. Nigga, they took, look. Let me let y'all, my bad, whoever jumping on here, y'all try to figure out who this is. You heard me? This Divine Culture Talk channel. My name is Knowledge, partner. No, oh, my bad, but that's their shit. You know, that's what they do when they want to lead you in. You heard me? Look up hypnosis. Look up marketing. You heard me? You gotta, just like you gotta follow the money, you gotta follow these niggas' traits, man. These niggas trying to put bad habits in your subconscious. You feel me? But y'all niggas fucking with the wrong one. It's funny to me. You niggas buffoons. Not my chat. I'm talking about the purple gang. You feel me? Our Divine Nine. Our Skulls and Bones, nigga. The fake Illuminati. Illuminated. Who the fuck y'all wanna be, nigga? Out here confusing the people using sex magic. On your own people. And then telling the white man doing it to him. Nigga really telling y'all to fuck the white man. Oh, the white man, this and this. I got pictures of all these niggas, and what the fuck y'all talking about? Come on, man, you better do your research. And if y'all niggas don't know what's going on, y'all niggas better go look up Nimrod. Y'all niggas better go look up the Tower of Babel. Then you gonna see what type of organization y'all niggas in. You feel me? But what led me to this, I saw the fuckery. You feel me? I saw the fuckery. How they do it? I saw the fuckery they was doing. You heard me? In every video and everything. I wasn't even worried about it. I was just like, man, fuck these niggas. I'm done with this shit. I'm just about to look. Bitch, I'm about to go just put on jazz, motherfucker. I'm just about to just straight listen to frequencies. Energy, frequencies, and vibrations. Now, I told you, 70% of this shit these niggas were saying is correct. Probably 99% of this shit is correct. But this shit is to fuck with your subconscious. Niggas is preying on your downfall. You feel me? Ain't no fucking messages, man. Nothing divine about these niggas, man. Oh, this Ogun energy right here, partner. I'm the real God of War. I'm the real Aries. You feel me? That just lined up constellation. The galactic beings gave me that. You feel me? I'm just saying. Niggas watching you niggas. Niggas ain't gonna be able to cough no more, man. For real. And I'm just trying to let everybody else watch these niggas. Watch them. Watch them. We do that. It's to help your intellect. Get the fuck. These niggas learn genetics. These niggas learn about fucking physiology. And these niggas weaponize the fuck out of it. Like, man, bro. Dr. York said, black devils, bro. You really got black devils out here. These niggas real fucked up. You feel me? But you can't fool everybody, dirty. You feel me? So I'm letting you niggas know. I say. You feel me? You heard me, Purple Lounge? You heard me, watchers? I know y'all watching. You heard me? What else they be doing? And they be doing all type of shit. I saw one of the niggas did this the other day. Niggas said, they be talking. These niggas get themselves up now. The niggas be... Bitch, I'm draw. I'm really mad because bitch, my whole fucking page is made up off these niggas. Half of the, I don't know who to trust no more. It's just like, I just be watching you niggas' movements. And I know we do all type of hand gestures. I know the hand gesture shit is automatic. It's automatic to do. I do certain movements when I be meditating. You heard me? So the shit do, I don't know. I do certain movements, but if a nigga do shit automatic, it's gonna be automatic. Nigga, when you see a nigga try to think, and then nigga words ain't matching up with his hand movement, that shit ain't normal, man. You feel me? It's called symbolatry. It's called messages. It's called like, come on, man, like niggas in jail. You heard me? When niggas riding kites, sending that shit to the other side, you think niggas got the shit, kill dude until 5. Nigga don't got that shit written like that. You gotta decode that shit, partner. You feel me? So these niggas do all type of shit. Fuck boys, all type of shit. You feel me? They're gonna get us where? All these niggas so intelligent, so nice. Millions of Muslims. You got the FOI, whatever the fuck these niggas is. FOI, I don't give a fuck what you talking about or how you feel, whatever. Partner, come see me, come check me, come do whatever. But you niggas gotta answer this question. It's a million young niggas out here right now, nigga. You got the Nation of Islam Lounge right around the fucking corner on Chef, nigga. You feel me? Right on Chef. Why they got these young niggas out here smoking weed? Why they got these young niggas in school, nigga, 7th grade, 8th grade, nigga, out here asking for goals? You don't see none of these niggas. I learned about these niggas on the internet. I learned about these niggas on the internet. How the fuck I learned about these niggas on the internet? The secret society. How the fuck your co-founders is the Skull and Bones? How the fuck is your co-founders is the KKK? Nigga, you niggas serious? You niggas giving us all this information. What the fuck is going on? It feel like some superhero. Well, I don't know. It's the Ananuki, the Aniji. It's all type of shit going on right now, nigga, in our face. Nigga, you looking up and looking around. Nigga, look through these niggas. You need to look through these stupid ass niggas, man. Playing on our intelligence, playing on our shit. Tell them, you're teaching niggas about shit. You thought a nigga wasn't gonna pick it up. You thought a nigga wasn't gonna pick it up. I ain't no New York. You heard me? Up north of Virginia. 400-year lies. 1619, y'all bullshit ass shit. Y'all fake ass ancestors. Your fake ass ancestors, man. I'm going at y'all niggas' neck. You know, y'all did this. Y'all trained me for this. Consecutively watching y'all niggas shit. Y'all niggas indoctrinating me. Y'all niggas hypnotizing me. I'm wondering why one day, nigga, I'm on my shit. The next minute, I don't know what the fuck y'all switching up the names and talking about it's the YouTube and all this. Bitches ain't no motherfucking YouTube algorithm, nigga. It's y'all fake ass niggas with this shit, nigga. Nigga, we know the fuck ISIS or SARS, SET, nigga. We know about all that shit, nigga. Tahuti, Dolph, nigga, we know about all that shit. Virgin Mary, why y'all switching this shit up? Y'all niggas better go get some more degrees. With y'all money not long enough to go get this certain degree. You heard me? How the fuck in 1 year, nigga? I get past y'all Knight Templars, nigga. You heard me? In 1 year, I'm about to come bring Babylon down, nigga. Fuck y'all pyramid, nigga. You feel me? Fuck these niggas pyramid, man. These niggas playing with y'all intellect. And I'm sorry, I'm in my feelings I'm sorry right now. I was trying to come at this calm and collective. But I want y'all to know the energy so y'all can know what it is when y'all know what it is. You feel me? Yeah. Like that. Like that. You know, you can look, you can do research. It's easy. Everything is on this little page. You can do research, scroll, strike, do whatever the fuck you gotta do. Just know I did my research on you. Free the gods, man. Fuck these lords. Landlord ass niggas, puss ass niggas, bitch ass niggas, hoe ass niggas, dick in the boot ass niggas. For real. But niggas done pissed me off. YouTube gonna be mad they even gave me my channel back. They about to be mad. How they do? Hand in their pocket ass shit. Jeroni ass, fake ass, puss ass niggas, man. Niggas really got me pissed the fuck off. I'm really, You hear me? Niggas signing oats and shit. All this pussy ass, dick in the booty ass shit. Bitch, I'm mad. You heard me? Y'all out here. Man, these bitches out here staging shit. These bitches out here staging shit. Staging. It's not real. They do everything Hitler do. Everything. The bitch, you gonna take this channel from me today, bitch. You heard me, little bitch? Bitch, you gonna take this channel from me today. I'm sorry. Look, whoever watching this video, I'm so sorry. I'm so energetically in my feelings about this. You feel me? I'm so sorry that I'm using these words and I'm like, I'm fucking with your, you know, our souls don't be liking all this shit. We don't be liking, you know, everything is energy, you heard me? Everything is energy, everything is waves, man. These people know this shit, man. They know this shit, bro. And it's fucked up. You know how many babies I lost? And I'm finding out I'm losing this shit over generational curses. Not no fucking money shit. Nigga, we all intelligent to do on our own, but these niggas pumping shit on us. These niggas feeding us the bullshit. These niggas pushing the killing, pushing the sex, pushing all this shit, man. You niggas out chill? You niggas out chill, boy? Y'all know what's popping with me, man. So y'all just watch out. Please. Watch out. But I'm just not resonating with these fugazi ass niggas. You telling me I got information. I got information to uplift you, to bring you to a different pioneer in your life, to take you to another fucking level. I got information to do that. And I'm about to keep it a secret? What the fuck is so secret? That's the most stupidest shit ever. You telling me you watching me crash out? You hear me? I'm gonna leave it right here, man. Fuck these niggas, man.